This is the second concept under the module advertisement effectiveness. Advertisement effectiveness measurement test. So here we have two types of test, pre-test and post-test. Here every organization spends thousands of money on advertising every year, and it is very much pertinent for the organization to go for seeing the effectiveness of advertisement copy. So main purpose of the advertisement is to create interest in the people in order to buy the firm's product. So here one question arises here is, can everyone be persuaded by the same advertisement, or will it satisfy each and every people with the same advertisement? So for this purpose, advertisement copy research is done to see how well the advertisement succeeds in attracting and gaining the attention of the customers. So we have copy testing. Copy testing is a tool involving a procedure where the effectiveness of advertisement is measured before it appears in the final form. So copy testing is before it is released in the final form. Before that, there will be a testing done on the advertisement during and after its exposure to determine whether and to what extent it has accomplished the task. So here testing is done on the advertisement. So before and after, before what was the image of the product in the minds of the consumer, and after releasing the advertisement, what is the effect of advertisement in the minds of the consumer, whether the sales has increased after seeing the advertisement or not. So it addresses the following questions: will a proposed copy theme be effective at achieving the advertisement objectives? Does the set of advertising that makes up an advertising campaign create desired interest? So here these questions will be answered. Will the proposed copy theme will be effective for the advertisement objectives? Will it meet the desired interest level and image of the organization? And will advertisement attract the every individual or every audience? Next one is type of test. So we have three types of test: pre-test, post-test and concurrent methods. So first one is pre-test methods. Pre-test methods refers to testing the potentiality of the message or copy before printing or broadcasting, or before it is in a final form. It is useful because concept in advertising may appear to be simple and effective to the advertiser. So pre-test is before the final advertisement copy is released to the consumers. Before that, they have been tested. So that is what is called as pre-test. So there are different following pre-test methods. We'll go one by one. First one is checklist method. The copywriters use checklist method to test the effectiveness. Checklist is the copywriters go for writing some of the checklist which will help them to know the weightage of that advertisement. The purpose of this method is to ensure that all the elements of the advertising copy are included with due importance in the advertisement. So here they go for writing or they go for listing all those important elements of advertisement copy which is important for the advertisement to gain the attraction of the consumers. As it is a pre-test method, omissions can be included, because as it is a copy testing, so if there is any changes required, the checklist is of all the list of good qualities. They go for comparing the advertisement copy with the checklist, whether the good qualities is there in the advertisement. If not, they can go for further changes in the copy of the advertisement. So researcher has to compare the advertisement with the checklist, and they have to go on ticking the items present in the advertisement copy. So here what the copywriters do is, first they go for preparing the checklist, which are the good qualities or good elements of the advertisement copy, or which should be there actually in the advertisement copy. If it is there, then they go for releasing the advertisement to the nation and international level. So that is what is checklist method. It is pre-testing. Before the copy is being released actually to the consumers, they go for analyzing with the checklist method. They go for listing good qualities of the advertisement, and then they go for playing the advertisement, and they go on ticking the elements which is there in the advertisement. If it is not there, they go for having certain suitable changes in the advertisement copy.